Mahakala Bhairava, the face form of Shiva, who is the destroyer of all the illusions. Okay, let's all of us feel his energy. Sri Shankaracharya Virachita Kala Bhairavastakam Devarajya Sevyamana Pavanagri Pankajam Vyala Yajna Sutramendu Shekaram Krupakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Bhanukoti Vaswaram Bhavabditara Param Neelakantamipsitarda Dayakam Trilochanam Kala Kala Mambujaksha Makshashulam Aksharam Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Shulatanka Pasha Danda Pane Madhikaranam Shamakaya Madhidevam Aksharam Niramayam Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Bhukti Mukti Dayakam Prashasta Charu Vigraham Bhakta Vatsalam Stitam Samasta Loka Vigraham Vinikvanan Manogna Hema Kinkinila Satkatim Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Dharma Setu Palakam Twadharma Marganashakam Karma Pasha Mochakam Susharma Dayakam Vibhum Swarna Varna Kesha Pasha Shobitanga Mandalam Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Ratna Paduka Prabhabi Rama Pada Yugmakam Nitya Madvitiyam Ishta Daivatam Niranjanam Mrityu Darpanashanam Karaladam Shramokshanam Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Attahasa Binna Padma Janda Kosha Santati Drushti Pada Nashta Papa Jala Mugra Shasanam Ashta Siddhidayakam Kapala Malikandaram Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Bhuta Sanganayakam Vishala Kirtidayakam Kashi Vasaloka Punya Papa Shodakam Vibhum Niti Marga Kovidam Puradanam Jagatpatim Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Kala Bhairavastakam Patanti Ye Manoharam Jnana Mukti Sadhanam Vichitra Punya Vardhanam Shoka Moha Lopa Dainya Kopatapanashanam De Prayanti Kala Bhairavangri Sannidhindruvam Kashikapuradinada Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Kala Bhairavam Bhaje Om Namah Shivaya. All the divine souls, may Lord Bhairava protect your every move. Namah Parvati Pate Hara Hara Mahadev.